Today we're going to be talking about writing equations of lines through two given points. So, let's say that they give you the points -5, 2, and 3, -1 on a graph. And you are told to write an equation for those 2 points, like what that, for the equation for the line of what that graph would be. Okay, so the first step is to find the slope. And the equation for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So, in these points you can label them x1, y1, x2, and y2. And then, it's pretty simple, you just plug it into that equation. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And make sure to always label your points like this, x1, y1, x2, y2. Alright, so then you go through, -1 minus a -2 equals 1. And 3 minus -5 equals 8. So the slope is 1 over 8. Now, to find your y-intercept, which is the last thing you need to make this an equation, you're going to plug in one of these points. You can pick either one. Let's just do this one. Into the equation y equals mx plus b, which is like the linear function of a line equation. And you're going to plug in your slope, and you're going to solve for b. So, remember, it's y equals mx plus b. So you plug in your value for y, -2 equals m, which is slope, so 1/8, x, which is -5, plus b. So you have -2 equals 1/8 times -5 plus b. You solve it all the way through, -2 equals -5/8 plus b, plus 5/8, -2 plus 5/8 equals -11/8. Then you have your equation. Y equals 1/8 x minus 11/8. Alright, let's do another example. You're given the points 5, 3, and 4, 5. First step, find slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You label this as x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So you plug in 5 minus 3 over 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5, equals 2 over -1. Slope is -2x because 2 over -1 is just equals to -2. So then you take this first set of points, bring it down here, plug this and your slope into the equation y equals mx plus b to get your y-intercept, which is called b in that equation. So take your value for y equals m, or -2 because m is slope, x plus b. -3 equals -10 plus b, plus 10 plus 10, 13 equals b, or your y-intercept. Y equals -2x plus 13. Alright, again, this is writing equations of lines through two given points. So, this is the equation of the line that it would look like the line would be if you were to graph these 2 points and then connect them with a line. Alright, as always, I like to leave you with one challenge problem to do without my help. We have -2, 2, and -5, -4. Taking this knowledge of lines and graphs and y-intercepts and slopes, and especially the slope equation, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and then you know that you go and plug it back. Anyways, you guys can do it. Alright, thanks for tuning in.